Alright class, so today we're going to be learning how to identify adverbs. Alright, so first thing we need to understand is that an adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. It tells you how, when, where, to what extent, or to what degree. Some adverbs tell you how. These adverbs usually end in ly, ly, or lie. Splendidly. How well does she play the accordion? She plays the accordion splendidly. Some adverbs tell you when. When will he perform? He will perform soon. Some adverbs tell you where. Where did she go? She went downstairs. Some adverbs tell you to what extent or degree. To what extent or degree is he reasonable? He is not reasonable. So when we go back up to the top, it says Mitchell, who was just promoted to branch manager, has worked at the bank for nearly 15 years. Can we do we know by looking just at this sentence what you think the two adverbs are in the article? Remember, it tells you how, when, where, to what extent, or to what degree. I'll give you a few more seconds to try to figure it out. Okay, so the first one is just. The first one is just, who was just promoted to branch manager. So promoted to branch manager, it tells us to the what extent. It describes the verb. He was just this phrase describes the adverb. He was just promoted, and then the second one is nearly. 15 describes that, the how long. All right.